Morning, everybody. I'm feeling a lot better. Every single day now, it's getting better and better, although it is going to take at least another week to fully get over my bronchitis. Again, I'm still not contagious or anything, but I want to film some stuff for YouTube because it's been a tough month with being sick with the flu and bronchitis and not making any money with my Disney videos. I need some content to help pay the bills. So we're gonna have a me day. Well, a me day with you on the other side of the lens. I've never really explored much of Tampa. I don't even think I've ever stopped in Tampa in my life. So we'll get Roxy warm here, and then we'll go play in Tampa today. We'll take it easy though, you know, because I still don't feel my best. But yeah, and see all the Spanish moss. I love it. I love it. All right, let me go feed Jackson and go have some fun today. Alright guys, my first attempt at moto vlogging here on the Honda Rebel. I got the microphone tucked underneath the helmet here. I don't know if it's working or not, or if there's still wind getting in there. I know one thing, I don't like being behind this truck because all this Florida shrubbery he's got in the back just does not look very secure. So I'm just gonna take it easy. I want something to fall out and hit me. But yeah, it looks like we're 22 minutes away from downtown Tampa. So we'll just kind of enjoy the scenery here and sunshine, and have a good little ride here. How's that sound? I sure love having this motorcycle. It is a blessing for someone in an RV, because otherwise there's no way the RV would get to places like this. I just wouldn't take the RV downtown Tampa. There's no way. I'll also mention the Tampa RV show is coming up. I'd like to go, I just don't know about timing. Gonna have to wait and see. Well, it's starting to feel a little bit like industrial Tampa. Just a lot more businesses and stuff. Hey, there's a big muffler man guy over there holding I don't know what he's holding. A wrench? Advertising for automotive services. Okay, cool. 55 miles an hour through here. Just love it, man. Having a bike is so fun. It just makes so much sense. There's my cough coming back. Oh, that sign just said Tampa city limits. So we are now officially in Tampa, Florida. Oh. See the city line over there? Obviously. I'm not sure how close we are to the water, the bay, all that, you know, but there's the city. Not exactly the prettiest sight, but, you know. Is that Tampa Bay? I don't know. Okay, I actually like this part of town though. All of those palm trees. I love me some palm trees. Yes, I forgot my gloves today. Thought they were in the helmet, but I didn't feel like going back inside after I set the alarm on the RV and everything. How's the view working? How's the microphone working? You guys like going on bike rides with me? I don't do it too often. My channel's more about RV life, but still, this is an extension of the RV. Makes it so that I can see more and share more in a practical way. Gonna make a stop up here at a historical marker. You might be interested to see what it is, though. I don't know. It's gonna be that building right in front of us. So what is now the Columbia restaurant behind me, this facade? In the middle here, they have some markers, so we'll go check those out right now. It's a beautiful building, I'll give you that. I love the tile work and detail here, but This sign here, the Rough Riders Road here, 1898. The intersection of 7th Avenue and 22nd Street was a sandy cross road connecting 3 Army encampments in the Ybor City area during the Spanish-American War. Well, Theodore Roosevelt and his gang on horseback were called the Rough Riders. And they made this spot here in Ybor. I asked somebody how to pronounce it, Y-B-O-R. Because I would have butchered it. Another little note here on the other side says, Colonel Teddy Roosevelt frequently rode by here on his horse, named Texas, and his little dog, named Cuba. That's pretty cool. Don't ever say I don't take you guys places. We are in the United States. However, this is the Park Amigos de Jose Marti. This little 0.14 acre piece of land that we're stepping into is technically owned by Cuba. Yeah, little plaque here from 1893. It gave some refuge to some people, I guess, so that's what we got. Isle de Cuba. With the American flag and the Cuba flag waving high here in Tampa. That's reminding me that it's still there. Okay, that's different. That's different. Little piece of Cuba right here in Florida on the mainland. Very cool. Okay. There goes the downtown Tampa trolley. That's cool. Not necessarily going to be filming every little ride on the bike from place to place. I'm doing some walking too, but at least you know I can get around and stop at little stuff like this. You guys know how much I love my quirky metal art installations all over the country. I appreciate businesses that put stuff like this and build stuff. This is a welding shop, and he's got a machine gun and everything. Look at that. That's actually pretty awesome. This one here looks like a Greek soldier of some kind. And this guy's in a bunker. And there you go, Rustic Steel Creations. Thanks for putting some cool stuff out front for advertising. Give you some free advertising. Weird stuff, though, too. I mean, I can't explain quite all of it, but okay. You're doing a great job there, buddy. Keep pushing. Whatever you're pushing there. Okay. So there's a legit folktale here about the two-headed alligator in these parts. Here's a concrete mosaic version of it. Apparently there's a couple more sculptures around here. It's from the folktale Bite or Smite. Something about good karma and a rabbit. I can't find a whole lot of information on the story, but it is quirky nonetheless. Yeah, okay. Alright, you know, I've seen quite a few of these. Another Futuro home. This one's in pretty good condition. I think it's built the way they were supposed to be built, up high and unlevel and stuff. Let's go take a closer look at it. You can see this one actually has all of the windows around it, and there's an air conditioning unit. Looks like there's plumbing, so this one is exactly how they were meant to be. Probably a little staircase that goes up into it. Very cool. Also ironic, this is a strip club below the futuristic Futuro house. Strip club. Interesting. Just a gray wall behind me. That's all it is. It's not all it is. This monster beast, aptly named the American Victory, is one of only 4 surviving, fully functional World War II ships. Excuse me, ships in the U.S. Fully functional, I might add. She's a beaut, Clark. We're here at Terminal 2 here in Tampa. What a beast, right? That's not Tampa Bay out there. Like I said, this is just the marina here. And at the time of me filming this, there still is no World War III officially, but if you've been following the news, U.S. and Iran and everything going on, things could change. things could change here in 2020. But for right now, just a sleeping beast there. Yeah. I think what I'm gonna do is go try to find some beauty in Tampa. Let's go find the Tampa Bay. Let's actually go find it. The white sand and blue skies and all that stuff. Ooh, security notice. Marsk level 1. Yeah, I don't think we have that clearance, guys. So, yeah. Let me look on my maps, Google some stuff, and go find some nice scenery. Everybody. Excuse me, sorry. Lots of palm trees. Lots of happy Eric. Almost some white sand down here, but not really as pretty as I envisioned it over all these years. Every time I've heard Tampa Bay said, I see it as a place as pretty as like Panama City Beach, and it's not. It's just a bay, you know. You probably got to go to the Gulf of Mexico side of Tampa to really see the green, blue water everywhere and pure white, but I'll take it. I seem to have found a little deserted park here where nobody's at, and I finally feel like I'm in Florida. I finally feel it. Yeah. It's about 76 degrees today here, although on the bike, when you're going 55 miles an hour, it's significantly 20 degrees colder than that. Yeah, I'd almost call that white sand. It is. It's white sand, man. Nice little ride. Thanks for coming along with me, guys. I'm gonna carefully head on back here a little bit. I'm gonna sit down in that chair first off camera and soak in the bay a little bit, though. I see you've just made yourself right at home, haven't you now? Oh, sunbathing on the concrete. All right. You miss me? You didn't miss me. But I have the power to the food bowl. Looks like you're petting yourself. Oh, big stretches. What a rough day you had. Oh my goodness, that was so much sleeping that you did. Yeah, see, I had a really good ride today. That was fun. It was nice and sunny. Changed my spirits. I'm just going to have to be patient getting over the last bit of this bronchitis. But I've told the guys here that I'm not contagious. That's what the doc says. So, maybe going out with them one day before I leave. It'll be fun. All right? So, anyway, Jax and I we'll see you next time on the Nomadic Fanatic Show from Tampa. Bye, guys.